US President Donald Trump celebrating a good start to the weekend. First quarter economic growth of 3.2%.
The GDP numbers were just announced, and they were far higher than even the high expectations. There were many people thought it would be less than 2, and there were 3.2.
Economists had narrowed their forecast partly due to estimates that the longest government shutdown in US history at the start of the year would cost about $11 billion in lost output. And the trade battle between the US and China had rattled investors, though they seem less concerned now. The S&P and Nasdaq stock exchanges hit record highs earlier this week. But increased government spending helped economic growth, as did companies beefing up their inventories. Plus, exports surged in the first 3 months of the year, vindication for a US trade strategy partly based on reducing a growing trade imbalance with China.
If President Trump thinks the US economy is doing well, it isn't hitting the target he once promised of 4% growth per year. And where the White House says that growth this year will be 3.2%, the International Monetary Fund thinks it'll be nearly a whole % lower. Owen Fairclough, CGTN, Washington.